Now, 5 months after the collapse of the Thai steelmaker SSI, commercial steelmaking has returned to Teesside. A small plant on the outskirts of Middlesbrough is manufacturing small amounts of high-quality steel for use in industry. Our business correspondent, Ian Reeve, reports.
A rare piece of good news from the steel sector. This industrial research company near Middlesbrough has started making and selling its own steel. A return to Teesside for the industry.
We've always had a facility to make new kinds of steels for research purposes, but we've realised that there is a market for very high value steels in small quantities, and so we're using the facility to do that, and we've launched a new venture to do that.
The steel making, supplying industry is on a small scale. Only 8 people work here, but the operation could attract other companies to Teesside.
We know that there are people out there that want to invest in this kind of steel making in Europe, and we want to say to them, you can do this in the UK, you can do it in the Tees Valley.
So the plant could help to create more jobs for people like Steve. 35 years in steel, his last job at SSI.
All my career I've worked in steel making. I thought that was the end. Then I was given the opportunity to come back to MPI now, the company, and it's a great privilege.
But Steve's is just a small piece of good news in what is overall an unremittingly gloomy story. Not a mile away is Tata's Long Products division. Not wanted by its parent company, it's up for sale. 1,300 regional jobs depend on it being bought.
A deal is supposedly going through, although making slow progress, apparently hinging on the government stumping up a £100 million loan for the potential buyer, the London investment house Greybull.
Tata wants that deal to be done before the end of the month. In the interim, the return of commercial steelmaking to Teesside, albeit much reduced, will have to suffice as the industry's good news story. Ian Reeve, BBC Look North, Teesside.